OnePlus 6T is all set to be unveiled on October 30th, at simultaneous events in New Delhi and New York. The Chinese smartphone maker confirmed the launch event on Monday, and on Tuesday announced that OnePlus 6T India pre-bookings are now open, via Amazon India. To pre-book, users will have to buy an Amazon e-gift card, which will then be redeemed against the OnePlus 6T when it becomes available for users. OnePlus has also detailed freebies that users will get alongside. Pre-bookings began at 12 p.m. IST on Tuesday, October 9th. Here's how you can pre-book the OnePlus 6T on Amazon India. Visit the dedicated pre-bookings page, and follow the instructions to buy an Amazon Pay email gift card. Be careful to select the OnePlus 6T design, and choose the 1,000 rupees denomination. Once purchased, the gift card will then be sent to you via email. The gift card can then be redeemed on November 2nd or November 3rd. The e-commerce retailer has also revealed that sales will start at 12 p.m. IST, noon, on November 2nd. As for the freebies, Rs. 500 cashback will be credited to your Amazon Pay account by November 6th, while users will get a coupon code to purchase the OnePlus Type-C bullet earphones, worth Rs. 1,490, in their email by November 15th. This coupon code can be redeemed against the earphones on Amazon India, making the purchase free of cost. Pre-bookings are also open via Chroma outlets and OnePlus exclusive offline stores. To recall, OnePlus 6T has been teased by the company several times over the past month or so, and a few features have already been confirmed. The company says the OnePlus 6T will come with screen unlock tech, its name for the in-display fingerprint sensor. OnePlus alongside the pre-bookings also reconfirmed that smartphone will sport a larger 3,700 mAh battery, powered by the company's proprietary dash charge technology. The company has also revealed the OnePlus 6T will not feature a headphone jack, requiring users to utilize USB Type-C or wireless Bluetooth earphones, and that it will not support wireless charging. Finally, the company also said that while the OnePlus 6T will have some water resistance, it will not be launched with an IP rating. As per previous reports, OnePlus 6T is tipped to feature a 6.4-inch optic AMOLED Full HD Plus display, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, coupled with 6GB and 8GB RAM options and up to 256GB of onboard storage. Moreover, the OnePlus 6T is expected to run Android 9.0 Pie out of the box.